welcome back to another video. I just arrived in Nikko from Kawaguchiko and we rented this vacation house and I'm so impressed by it, so let me show you. So this here is where you come in and you're immediately greeted by this tatami space room. And then as you walk up the stairs here, there's this like living room. And then as we turn, we have the kitchen and dining space. And then you can walk up the stairs here. And then we have 2 beds here, as well as a sofa bed that you can fold out. And then as you walk further up the stairs, we have a bathroom. And in here, there's a small like bath, like an onsen type. It's a very quiet area. There honestly isn't so much around. There is a supermarket that's 7 minutes away from where we're staying, so that's where we're going. Good morning. So today we're going on a hike to see some waterfalls and some nature around Nikko. From where we're staying, which is Kinugawa Onsen, it will take around 2 hours with public transport. Just got off the bus and it's like the top of a mountain at a onsen place, and we're gonna get some lunch and then we're going to start the hike here. So this is where we are. So we finished eating and now we're on our way to Kegon Waterfalls, and that is where we will start the hike. Today is our last day in Nikko, or last full day, and we're gonna do a walking tour around to see the temples close to Tobu Nikko station. And we start off with Shinkyo Bridge, which is this beautiful red bridge. And we've been traveling a lot these days. So yesterday we spent most of the time just relaxing. We went to the supermarket for a bit, but other than that, just stayed at our rented villa. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this time. It's a fairly short vlog this time. It was more chill and relaxing, but I hope you still enjoyed. And I will be traveling some more in the near future, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, then please like and subscribe.